Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make wheatgrass shots using an easy method. First, gather your fresh wheatgrass, a sharp knife, and a clean cutting board. It's important to select vibrant green wheatgrass for the best results. Also, have a small glass or shot glass ready for your delicious and nutritious shot. This simple preparation ensures a smooth process from start to finish, making your wheatgrass experience enjoyable and efficient. Now, let's move on to cutting and rinsing your wheatgrass. Using your sharp knife, carefully cut approximately 1 ounce of wheatgrass from its growing tray. After cutting, place the wheatgrass in a colander and rinse it thoroughly under cool, running water. This step helps remove any dirt or debris. Finally, gently pat the wheatgrass dry with a clean paper towel, preparing it for the next crucial step in making your shot. Next, we'll blend the wheatgrass to extract its potent juice. Transfer your dried wheatgrass into a high-speed blender. Add about 2 ounces of filtered water. This helps the blending process. Secure the lid and blend on high for approximately 30 to 60 seconds, or until the mixture is completely smooth and a vibrant green color. This quick blending action ensures you get all the beneficial nutrients from the grass. Finally, it's time to strain and enjoy your fresh wheatgrass shot. Carefully pour the blended mixture through a fine mesh strainer placed over your serving glass. Use the back of a spoon to press the pulp firmly, ensuring you extract every last drop of the nutrient-rich liquid. Serve your vibrant green wheatgrass shot immediately to maximize its health benefits. Cheers to your easy and invigorating homemade wheatgrass.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.